Well, this is an explanation as to why you won't see trains running tonight. Engineering works always gets in the way of running trains. Okay, spade. Look at this spade. A two-piece blade that it's riveted together. It's heavy, it's wonderful, and it works, which is just as well, because the job is rendering the wall. It's going to take a couple of coats to make it look really nice, but part of the job is digging out, because there's been stinging nettles growing all along here, and in digging out, what we find is some of the stone has just crumbled and gone. And I've got a little theory that if you've got a wall that's standing on thin air, the insurers of Jericho refused to pay out on the basis that the walls weren't solidly built. So the slow project is to get this dug out, a concrete berm putting in, holes like that patching with stone, show, muck, and then rendering back over it. This particular little spot I'm going to dig out a bit bigger, because there's a downpipe, and what I want with this downpipe is to have a diverter filling up a water barrel. Water in this garden is an issue, so if I can collect rainwater from the roof, that will be good. But to do that, I need something to stand a water barrel on. So just here, the plan is to dig out concrete tile and make it look respectable, and stick a big water tank there. In winter we have no problem collecting rain, but of course in winter we don't need it. So that's what I am doing, between drinking tea of course, with my new spade, which is probably as old as I am. Poor thing.